In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Google Gemini. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or phone. Make sure it's up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. This helps pages load smoothly and keeps things secure. Next, in the address bar or search box, type Google Gemini. You're looking for the official Gemini page from Google, typically at gemini.google.com. Click that result. If you want an extra layer of confidence, glance at the URL and the padlock icon to confirm you're on the legitimate site. Once the page loads, find and click Sign in or Log in. Use your email to log in with your Google account credentials. You may be asked to review terms or complete a quick verification. Just follow the on-screen prompts. When you're signed in, you'll land on the main Gemini chat interface. Now you're ready to use Gemini. Click into the message box and type your prompt. The clearer your request, the better the results. Instead of saying help, try something like summarize this article in 3 bullet points or draft a polite follow-up message about a project deadline. Press enter or click the send icon to submit. If the first answer isn't quite right, refine your prompt by adding details, asking for a different tone, or requesting examples. You can continue the conversation naturally. Gemini remembers the context within the chat. Take your time to test different requests and see how responses change as you add clarity or context. Feel free to explore other features on the page. Depending on your region and device, you may see options to use voice input, upload images, edit your last prompt, regenerate an answer, or review your recent chats. The settings menu often includes controls for things like data preferences. While experimenting, avoid sharing private information such as passwords, financial details, or personal identifiers. If you'd like more capability, you can also upgrade and subscribe to a paid plan. Look for a button that says Upgrade or Try Advanced. Click it to review what's included, compare features, and see pricing in your area. If it suits your needs, follow the on-screen steps to subscribe. Be sure to review the plan details and billing terms before confirming. That's it. Open your browser, go to Google Gemini, log in with your email, start entering prompts, explore the features, and upgrade if you need more power. Enjoy discovering what you can create with Gemini.